Folks, let me tell you, there's gold in them hills. But we ain't talking about mining, we're talking about pigs. Yep, those snorting, rootin' creatures can be your ticket to financial freedom. Forget Wall Street, forget fancy schemes. Pig farming is where it's at. Now you might be thinking, Joel, pigs, really? But I'm here to tell you, pigs are a gold mine. They grow fast, reproduce like crazy, and the demand for pork, it's always high. Plus, raising pigs is simpler than you think. They're hardy animals, adapt well, and honestly, they practically raise themselves. Think about it. You, out in the open air, sunshine on your face, working with your hands, and making good money doing it. That's the life pig farming offers. It's honest work, rewarding work, and it's a heck of a lot more fulfilling than a cubicle job. So, open your mind and let's explore the potential of pig farming together.
Now I ain't gonna lie, pig farming takes work. It's not just a job, it's a lifestyle. You wake up early, you get your hands dirty, and you put in long hours. But let me tell you, there's something deeply satisfying about it. But it's good, honest work, and the rewards are worth it. The sense of accomplishment you get when you see your pigs thriving, the joy of a successful harvest, and the pride in knowing you're providing quality food for your community. First things first, you gotta have a plan. This ain't something you can just wing. You need to know what you're getting into. How many pigs you starting with? Are you going for a small operation or something bigger? Each choice comes with its own set of challenges and rewards. What kind of land you got? The type of land you have will determine a lot about how you set up your farm. Is it flat or hilly? Do you have access to water? These are all crucial factors. Figure out your goals, big or small, and build from there. Maybe you want to start with a few pigs and grow slowly, or perhaps you have bigger ambitions right from the start. Either way, setting clear goals will help you stay focused and motivated. Next up, you got to learn the basics. This means understanding what your pigs need to stay healthy and happy. Feeding, housing, healthcare, it's all part of the process. You need to know what kind of feed is best, how to build a comfortable and safe pen, and how to spot signs of illness early. But don't worry, it ain't rocket science. With a bit of research and some hands-on experience, you'll get the hang of it. Plenty of resources out there, folks willing to help you learn the ropes. From online forums to local farming groups, there's a wealth of knowledge just waiting to be tapped into. The key is to start small, learn as you go, and don't be afraid to get your hands dirty. Mistakes will happen, but each one is a learning opportunity. Once you got the hang of things, you can start thinking about scaling up. Maybe you want to add more pigs, or perhaps you want to diversify into other areas like crop farming or dairy. Maybe you want to sell direct to consumers, cut out the middleman. This can be a great way to increase your profits and build a loyal customer base. Or maybe you want to focus on breeding, supplying piglets to other farmers. The possibilities are endless. Each path has its own set of challenges and rewards, and it's up to you to decide which one suits you best. The point is, with pig farming, you're in the driver's seat. You get to make the decisions that shape your farm's future. You build your business your way. And that's the beauty of it. You get to create something that's uniquely yours, something you can be proud of. So roll up your sleeves, put in the work, and watch your dreams come to life.
Now, I ain't gonna lie, pig farming takes work, but it's good, honest work, and the rewards are worth it. First things first, you gotta have a plan. How many pigs you starting with? What kind of land you got? Figure out your goals, big or small, and build from there. Next up, you gotta learn the basics. Feeding, housing, healthcare, it's all part of the process. But don't worry, it ain't rocket science. Plenty of resources out there, folks willing to help you learn the ropes. The key is to start small, learn as you go, and don't be afraid to get your hands dirty. Once you got the hang of things, you can start thinking about scaling up. Maybe you want to sell direct to consumers, cut out the middleman. Or maybe you want to focus on breeding, supplying piglets to other farmers. The possibilities are endless. The point is, with pig farming, you're in the driver's seat. You build your business your way. So there you have it. Pig farming, a real opportunity for financial freedom. It's about hard work, yes, but it's also about connecting with the land, raising healthy food, and building a brighter future for yourself and your family. And the best part? It's a community. Pig farmers, we help each other out, we share knowledge, we share resources. We're all in this together, so you'll never be alone on this journey. Now I know what you're thinking. Can I really do this? Can I really make a good living raising pigs? And I'm here to tell you absolutely. It takes grit, determination, and a whole lot of love for these animals. but if you're willing to put in the effort, the rewards are endless. So come on in, the water's fine, your future in pig farming awaits.